for the niggas in the ghetto. Shit be fucked up when you live in the ghetto. Come with me, hit some corners in the ghetto. It gotta be something much better than the ghetto. Y'all know niggas got it bad. That's why the fuck we wake up mad. I swear it's sad. Bills piling up, I got laid off, but I gotta let these knuckleheads know I ain't soft. So I get rid of the smiles, learn to strike. Never will I try to swing in a fucking gunfight. Police know the homies on a first name basis, so when something happen, they the first ones to chase us.
I know nothing but the ghetto, born and raised in the streets of the hub city, blunts we blaze. To ease the killing mentality. When the motherfuckers try to test me, I can't turn my back, I'm too down for that. At a young age, learn to work with that strap. Then why my niggas locked up? It's simple, the ghetto was hustle and bust nuts.
Ain't no love for the niggas in the ghetto. Shit be fucked up when you live in the ghetto. Come with me, hit some corners in the ghetto. It gotta be something much better than the ghetto.
And I come from the slum to Compton, where niggas will pop one. Nigga, you got one, then spark one. Time is creeping, I'm keeping a fat sack. Crack for the fiend,